In this video, we're going to do a speed build of this Lego Marvel Venom speed bike and place it in my city. Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. Let's build some Lego. Yes, this is a speed build because I forgot to turn my microphone on, so I decided to just do a voiceover. Check back next Friday where I'll be building more Lego. But this is the Lego Marvel 30679 Venom Street Bike, ages 7 plus, 53 pieces. This is the completed Venom Street Bike with minifig. Here's me placing the bike in the city with my other Marvel bikes. Thanks from Chuck's Bricks. Until we build again, please like and subscribe.